Hey, what's up, guys? So this is another video for you. So I'm gonna help you guys to be able to find this affiliate program. It's called tubebuddy.com. So you just go to tubebuddy.com, and then you're gonna be able to earn this affiliate program right here. So you're gonna earn up to 50% recurring income. So when it says recurring income, that means it's gonna keep on getting to you each and every month. So let's look into it and how we can be able to apply into this one. So we're gonna click on this one. Okay, here we are here. So we're gonna look on what we can do right here so that we can be able to apply for this one. So this site says to us, tell one people about your body. Those people buy and upgrades. You earn up to 50% recurring. This word here is very important, guys. Recurring. That means you earn a cut of every dollar received from people you refer, as long as they remain paying customers every month forever. So you're always gonna get a income from these guys every time. Every time they keep on paying, you know. So right here, guys, and this says it has a bonus, and a free star or legend license for yourself by referring people, even if they don't pay for an upgrade. Can you hear from that? And you join free to join, 100% free. That sounds good. So we're gonna sign up right now. So we're gonna click here. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, so we're gonna sign up so that we can get our link on this great, amazing affiliate program. So we're gonna come on to here. So we're gonna sign up with our Gmail account or our Google email, and then we're gonna see sign into and manage your account and license, as well as access advanced tool. You see, I have read and agree, so you can read the private policy, and agree to the terms of use. Okay, so we will go in here and then sign up. And okay. Okay, guys, as I was saying, so here, so we're gonna get onto this one. So you can look on the features, productivity, back processing, video SEOs, promotions, data and research, mobile apps, milestones. This has it all. All these things is gonna help you to be able to rank your videos, SEOs, promotions, how you can promote your videos, data and research, and how you can research your videos, and how we can put on all those links we need onto your videos so that they can rank to number one. So this is the best one you can find, guys. So we're gonna come on to communities. They got forums, man. Everything you need, you can come here. You just ask a question, they're gonna help you. Podcast, Man, they say they tell you everything that you need on this one. There is this podcast here, man. Woman on YouTube. Come on, discover server. I mean, everything you need is on this one. You come on to pricing here. The pricing you can pay as little as from the pro version of it is just $9 a month, you know? And you come on to the star one, it's $19 per month. The legend is a $49 per month. Come on. You see the legend, what you get. All pro tools, all star tools, videos, A/B and testing, protection analyzer. Oh man, competitors analysis. You can just check out whatever everyone is doing. You can just do it, and then you get the best number one, and then you get to rank number one on everything. Okay, before I waste your time, guys, let's join this affiliate now. So we're gonna join this affiliate now. So I take it as you already read the policies and terms of use, huh? So we're gonna check these ones and then we're gonna log in. So we're gonna sign up on the affiliate right now so that we can get the link that we're gonna put on whatever we're gonna or wherever we're going to promote this video on, you know. So wherever you're gonna promote your affiliate link on, but there is so many ways you can do that. So we're gonna come here, affiliate code, choose an affiliate code that is easy to remember. It could be your YouTube channel name or something else that your audience will identify. Letters and numbers only, no space, you know. So what you can put there,